Welcome, friend. Collagen supplements, do they really work for skin and joints? Want to turn back the clock on your skin and maybe help your joints along the way? Today we're diving into the truth about collagen supplements, what works, what doesn't, and what the science actually says. I'm Beth, a 60-year-old dermatology PAC, and I've got 24 years clinical experience. And we're going to dive deep into collagen. Do collagen supplements actually work? Yes. According to more than 20 published studies, including randomized controlled trials, hydrolyzed collagen peptides have been shown to improve skin hydration, elasticity, and even reduce wrinkles over time. One of the largest studies followed over 100 women and found significant improvement in skin elasticity and texture after just 12 weeks of daily collagen supplementation. But you ask, what type of collagen is best? I'm glad you asked. There are a few main types of collagen, and they're not all created equal. Type 1 and 3 are most abundant in your skin, hair, and nails. Type 2 is what your joints and cartilage love. For younger looking skin, hydrolyzed type 1 and 3 collagen peptides are your best bet. These are broken down into smaller pieces that your body can absorb and actually use. Now let's compare hydrolyzed peptides with gelatin and marine collagen, which is from the sea. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are the easiest to absorb. They're most studied for the skin. Gelatin, on the other hand, is less processed and it's good for cooking, but it's not as well absorbed. Marine collagen, let's talk about that one. It's great for pescatarians, and it may have smaller peptide size, which you would think would be better absorbed, but it doesn't necessarily give you better results. I personally go for the hydrolyzed bovine collagen peptides because it's rich in type 1 and 3, and it's backed by the most research. But you ask, what dosage works? Most studies show benefits with 2.5 to 10 grams a day. I usually recommend 10 grams daily if you're over 40 and targeting skin or joints. Just add it to your morning coffee, smoothie, or even water. It's that easy. I actually take more than 10. I actually take 30 grams a day most days, just to give you an idea. Congratulations if you've made it this far in the video and you heard me say that I take 30 grams of collagen per day. Well, I've changed my mind about that dose, and I'll tell you why. A few studies do go up 15 to 20 grams, but higher than this has not shown significantly better results. It's expensive overkill, and let's face it, collagen peptides are not cheap. Once you pass 20 grams, you're likely not gaining more benefit for the buck. Your body can only use so many amino acids at a time, and the rest are just broken down and excreted. There are possible GI side effects as well. Some people do report bloating, diarrhea, or a heavy feeling in their stomach, especially if they take it all at once. I do like to split it up sometimes, 10 grams in the morning, 10 grams in the evening. But if you exceed 20 grams in one sitting, you could experience some of those side effects. Now, hydrolyzed collagen is easy to digest, but megadoses may still overwhelm the gut. So for hair, skin, and nails, 10 grams a day is probably a pretty sweet dose. But for joints, muscle repair, and postmenopausal support, 15 to 20 grams is where it would be probably best to be. Now back to the rest of the video. What about joints, you say? If you're looking for joint support, you want to look for undenatured type 2 collagen, a small but mighty form that's been shown to reduce joint discomfort in as little as 90 days. But you ask, can I just get collagen from food? Why do I have to take supplements? Yes, you can get collagen from bone broth and gelatin, but you'd have to consume an awful lot of it to match the concentrated dose in a supplement. So if you're serious about results, a clean, high-quality powder is the way to go. Now, what to pair with collagen for even better results? Here's the bonus tip. If you really want to maximize what collagen can do for your skin and joints, don't stop at one supplement. Here's what I recommend pairing with collagen based on research and what I personally use. Oral vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis. Red light therapy, which enhances collagen remodeling. Creatine, which supports skin firmness and hydration. Rosmarinic acid, which protects collagen from UV damage. Retinoids, which boost collagen from the outside. Peptides, which help with firmness and smoothness, and hyaluronic acid, which hydrates and plumps the skin. To summarize, look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides, no added sugars or artificial flavors, and choose one with vitamin C for better collagen synthesis. If you want to know which skincare products I use every day, I've put together a free downloadable guide. Just click the link below to receive that and other valuable tips to aging powerfully. And if you're curious about more tips for aging powerfully, you're going to want to click on this video right here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who wants younger skin and happier joints. I'll see you in the next one.